Fleas are one of the most common pests that kittens and their owners have to deal with. These tiny, jumping insects are more than just a nuisance, they can cause significant discomfort and health issues for kittens. Understanding how fleas affect kittens, how to prevent infestations, and how to treat them effectively is essential for maintaining your kitten's well-being. Kittens are especially vulnerable to fleas due to their small size and developing immune systems. Even a few fleas can lead to significant problems such as severe itching, skin infections, and anemia. Fleas feed on your kitten's blood, and heavy infestations can cause life-threatening blood loss, particularly in very young or underweight kittens. Fleas can also transmit other parasites like tapeworms, which add to the health risks. The first step in managing fleas in kittens is recognizing the signs of an infestation. Common symptoms include frequent scratching, biting or chewing at the skin, hair loss, scabs, and the presence of flea dirt, tiny black specks that look like ground pepper. If you suspect your kitten has fleas, part their fur and check for adult fleas or flea dirt, especially around the neck, tail, and belly. When treating fleas in kittens, it's crucial to choose products specifically designed for their age and weight. Many flea treatments for adult cats are too strong for kittens and can be toxic. For kittens under 8 weeks old, manual removal of fleas using a fine-toothed flea comb is often the safest option. Gently comb your kitten's fur, focusing on areas where fleas are most likely to hide. Dip the comb into a bowl of soapy water after each pass to kill any fleas you remove. In addition to treating your kitten, it's essential to address fleas in their environment. Fleas can lay eggs in bedding, carpets, furniture, and even cracks in the floor. Thorough cleaning is necessary to eliminate all life stages of fleas. Wash your kitten's bedding in hot water, vacuum your home frequently, and consider using an insect growth regulator, IGR, spray to stop flea eggs and larvae from maturing. Preventing fleas in the first place is the best approach. Monthly flea preventatives are highly effective at keeping fleas at bay and are a must for kittens living in areas with a high flea population. Regular grooming and frequent checks for fleas will also help you catch any potential infestations early. Keeping your kitten indoors can further reduce their exposure to fleas. Although fleas can still hitch a ride into your home on clothing or other pets, flea prevention and treatment aren't just about your kitten's comfort, they're also about their overall health. Persistent flea infestations can lead to secondary infections and long-term health issues. By staying vigilant and proactive, you can ensure your kitten grows up happy, healthy, and flea-free. Dealing with fleas may seem overwhelming at first, but with the right tools, techniques, and guidance from your veterinarian, you can successfully manage and prevent these pests. Your efforts will not only keep your kitten comfortable but also lay the foundation for a lifetime of good health.